Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials, now act. Open the meeting app or browser link, sign in if required, and navigate to the Join or Enter field. Type the room ID exactly as provided, include dashes or spaces only if shown. Once done, focus on the password box that appears, don't click randomly. Make sure you're on the right server or region if the app asks, because that affects access. Proceed when the Join button becomes available. You'll now enter the room ID and password. Slow down and verify each character because many ID are case sensitive. If you paste, make sure there are no extra spaces at the start or end. Once the ID is accepted, enter the password exactly and press Join. While the app connects, check camera and microphone permissions, select the proper audio device and speaker. This prevents delays later and ensures you're seen and heard when the host admits you. You're at the finish line. Tap Join and wait for confirmation or host approval. If the room rejects you, don't panic. Re-enter the ID and password carefully, paying attention to case and similar characters. Make sure you use the exact source or copy again from the original message. If problems persist, restart the app, clear its cache or the browser tab, and ask the host for a reset link or temporary code. That single fix solves most access failures. Try it next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.